I will not boodle you this product if I haven't used it for a long time. Grabe naman makakandila on the side. Akala mo naman piyesta minatay pa. As someone who has dry skin and suffers from eczema in some places that I do not like, the biggest compliment you can give me is your skin is nice. Lately, for the past few weeks or months, you guys have been telling me na my skin has been improving, my skin looks good. Well, I'm really good with makeup. Thank you. But I feel like the reason why I look good, hindi I feel, I know, because I have a solid skincare routine. You know, baka solid, hindi. Every now and then, I still add new stuff to my face. But there's one product na I found sa TikTok shop that I have been using every day. Sorry, I have been using this product every day. And I feel like it's a real game changer. I will not boodle you this product if I haven't used it for a long time. It's this one. I'm here na guys, oh. I'm here na. I'm just gonna quickly show you what I do to my skin before I sleep. Sometimes I change it up. Sometimes if I'm lazy, I just use 2 to 3 products. But now we're gonna use 4. Right now, I am just applying a luxury facial oil. And then I'm just adding hydration serum. I'm now gonna apply Miracle Butter in places where I experience my eczema. You can also apply this to your lips. Last na yung spray serum. Here's my skin up close. Now, this is my game changer, guys. Pagkatapos mag-settle ng skincare ko, I apply this. Usually kasi, pag natutulog ako, I like my pillow in front of my face. Like this. Gumagalaw yung skincare ko. So now that it's sitting on my face, I apply this. This is a collagen night wrapping mask. Feels weird at first. Yung texture niya parang itlog. Alam mo yun. But it just feels cold. Feeling ko talaga every time I apply this, mas ina-absorb ng skin ko yung skincare ko kasi tinatrap niya sa loob. I just let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before I actually sleep. So cold! Okay, it's dry now, guys. I can barely move my lips. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Mwah. Good morning. Hala. Paano yan? Anyway, yes. My face feels really good. Anyway, I'm gonna start my day now, feeling fresh, looking like a bye-bye. And I hope you guys have a great day ahead. Bye! Ay!